Hello, how to solve for s from this equation 16 raised to power s minus 12 raised to power s is equal to 9 raised to power x. Solution. We have the given equation 16 raised to power x minus 12 raised to power x is equal to 9 raised to power x. Let's divide both sides of this equation by 9 raised to power x. This divided by 9 raised to power s divided by 9 raised to power x divided by 9 raised to power x. This will cancel this. And here is 16 raised to power x divided by 9 raised to power x minus 12 raised to power s divided by 9 raised to power s is equal to 1. Then if you have a raised to power s over b raised to power s, this is equal to a over b all raised to power x. So this can be written as 16 over 9 raised to power of x minus 12 over 9 raised to power of s is equal to 1. Let's see, 3 here, 3 here, 4. Then 16 can be written as 4 square over 9 can be written as 3 square all raised to power of s minus, here is 4 over 3. 4 over 3 all raised to power of s is equal to 1. Then if you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. This is equal to a raised to power n m. We bring the s in. This can be written as 4 over 3 raised to power of s all square minus 4 over 3 raised to power of s is equal to 1. Then from here we have 4 over 3 raised to power s all square minus 4 over 3 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 0 if you bring this one to this side. Now from here, let 4 over 3 raised to power s is equal to y. Then here is y square minus this is y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is given as y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 1. Then let's substitute. We have y is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then y is equal to minus times minus 1, that is 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square, that is 1, minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 plus 4 over 2 times 1, that is 2. Then y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. Then from here, y is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. This is called golden ratio. Golden ratio phi, or y is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. But if you look at this, y is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Phi, this is less than 0 and is rejected. The only real solution we have is this. Y is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So let's work with this. Then we have y is equal to 1 plus root of 5 over 2, which is equal to the golden ratio. But 4 over 3 raised to power s is equal to y. Then 4 over 3 raised to power s is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Then let's take the log of both sides. Log 4 over 3 raised to power s is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2. Then here is s. Log 4 over 3 is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2. We are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides by log 4 over 3. This divided by log 4 over 3. Then this divided by log 4 over 3. This one will cancel this. S is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 over log 4 over 3. And take note of this, that if you have log a over b, this is equal to log a minus log b. So the whole of this can be written as s is equal to log 1 plus root 5 minus log 2 divided by log 4 minus log 3. And s is equal to log 3.2361 minus log 2 divided by log 4 minus log 3. S is equal to log 3.2361, that is 0.5100 minus log 2 is 0.3010 over log 4 is 0.6021 minus log 3 is 0.4771. Then S is equal to 0.5100 minus 0.3010. That is 0.2009. 9 divided by 0.0021 minus 0.4771. That is 0.125. Then S is equal to, if you divide this by this, we have 1.672, and this is the final answer. If you enjoy my video, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.